And in any description of a think tank, you would hear three words: research, advocacy, and policy. That is because what organizations like CBGA do is that with the purpose of changing policies, we do a lot of research on relevant issues and then we try to do advocacy with a range of stakeholders. In terms of some of the major challenges that I have confronted as the executive director of CBGA in the last 4 years, the first is to attract and retain highly competent researchers. Because of the environment in which we are functioning now, there is a lot of competition from other sectors for the kind of human resource talent that we are looking for. So that has been the biggest challenge. The second has been effectively disseminating our research findings and policy recommendations among the various stakeholders. The range of stakeholders we have is very vast and diverse. So, reaching out to them effectively has been a very big challenge. The third important challenge has been from the regulatory front in terms of dealing with the regulatory constraints, particularly for an organization like CBGA, which is fully independent of the government. It's been difficult, and these are some of the challenges that I have confronted in the last few years.